Good morning, everybody. Hope always healthy. Welcome to Madevi Putu Surfboard Repair. So here is the solution if you got broken board, ding board, Putu Surfboard Repair, Madevi, West Bali. So today I'm gonna fix it. Two board, one epoxy and one fiberglass. All right, check it out. Snapboard, surfboard. All right, time to fixing. Thank you. See you soon. Okay, let's back to Putu board repair. So this board fiberglass and this board epoxy. So see, two hole. It's really dry, and that's epoxy. So I'm gonna try. If you don't have a epoxy material, you can use normal resin, but you have to be careful. Make sure the resin not come through the foam. I mean, for especially epoxy board. Okay, I'm gonna try. All right. Use the strong one and make sure the board is scratching. And this is for epoxy. So if this board, if you use PU like resin, it come through the foam, alright. But this one, dangerous. Alright. So normally lots of people use this thin, really thin fiberglass to put in here. But my way, you have to chop this. Right. Mix it. So you, because this board is white, so you have to put white pigment to make the color a bit similar. So this is harder. 2-3 drop maximum. More than that can be burn your board. So for this board, fiberglass surfboard, you can put through just straight away like this. This is gonna be thousand of fiberglass. Right, that's it. You have to wait 10 minutes, 15 minutes, dry. But this is epoxy board. You have to keep like this till half dry. If you put this through there, the foam gonna be gone. Then see, if not leaking, if not drop, you can put. Right, good. This is nearly dry. Nearly dry. 15 minutes, also 15 minutes, because we use PU. So when this dry, I'm gonna sanding flat, and these two sanding flat, and then just put what do you call that? We call gel coat, resin only on the top, and water sanding done. So, same like I told you, this is fiberglass and this is epoxy. Normally, this board use this stuff: epoxy resin, epoxy hardener. But this took really long. And if the wave good, you put this, so you miss the wave. This lots quicker. Right. And see, this is it's already thick, dry. This dry, and also this dry. Like this. Alright, this is already dry. Dry, easy dry, quick dry, and also this epoxy board. So now time to sanding. I'm gonna sanding there because all the dust I don't want come to my shop. Alright. Okay, time to sanding the fiberglass board. Make sure you wear this mask. Alright, you can see how it's flat here. Alright, you can see still scratching here. And next, one more sanding. Okay. and you have to put one more gel coat and done. Just a little bit. Alright. Maximum 2 drop. If you wear glove, good. But this, sorry about that. Just mix it like this. Mix all this clean. And then put on. How is flat? This is glossy. This is dope. But when dry, I'm gonna sanding, water sanding, done. And you can have a surf. Don't miss it the wave. Okay. And that's epoxy. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Matur suksama. That's mean big thanks. So one more time. Same like I told you earlier. This is fiberglass and that's epoxy. It's dry already. So same. You can do grinder or sanding till really flat. And then you scratching again. One more time. Thin scratch. And put gel coat. And rub with your finger. Done. When you need to be really smooth, you can use water sanding. That's it. All right. That's the easy way. The easy way, the quickest way. Thank you. So see you. Bye bye. See you the next channel. Thank you for watching.